Students get stuck. We've all been there. The blank page stare. And with so many students and only one of you, it's tough to give everyone the help they need, exactly when they need it. That's where Canva AI can help. It's like a quiet nudge, a brainstorm buddy, a way for students to get the ideas flowing and feel more confident as they work. In this lesson, you'll see how tools like Magic Write, Design for Me, and Create an Image can support creativity, build independence, and act as a starting point for learning experiences. If you're new to AI and want to understand how to use it, we recommend starting with one of our other courses first. From the Design School homepage, head to the Courses tab. Here you'll find lessons that go deeper into Canva's AI tools. For example, this one is all about AI in the classroom. Each lesson has a short video and quick activities to help you apply what you've just learned. And if you're looking to test your knowledge, just tap Earn a Certificate. You'll be taken to a short quiz where you can put your learning into practice and come away with a certificate you can share on socials. So what does using Canva AI actually look like for students? It's built right into the editor and designed to feel like a natural part of their creative process. With tools like Magic Write, Design for Me, and Create an Image, students can brainstorm, design, and refine, all in one place. And yes, students can use Canva AI right now, as long as it's been enabled by your admin. A blank page can be a real blocker for students, but Canva AI is here to help. From the Canva homepage, select the Canva AI button, then choose Draft a Doc. Let's type in this prompt to help students begin a creative writing exercise. Can you give me some story starters and quick outlines to help me get started with my creative writing? I'm a 7th grade student and need ideas for a science fiction narrative. You'll see Magic Write get to work, and in a few moments, your doc appears. Let's tap Use Canva Editor to take a closer look. There are loads of ideas here for students to choose from, but working with Canva AI is collaborative, so let me show you how students can shape these story ideas. Let's take this one and make some tweaks. We'll highlight it, then select Magic Write and transform text. This time we'll ask, have the story set in the year 2080 in a city named Aetherion and add a villain to the storyline. Cool. Now it feels more like my idea. So I'll tap Replace to update the doc. A single idea can be transformed by students, so they'll be excited to bring it to life. Let's take a look at another Canva AI-powered tool, Design for Me. It transforms your ideas into ready-to-edit design, a great starting point for visual assignments like posters or flyers. Okay, building on the story idea Canva AI generated, let's design a matching poster. From the Canva homepage, select the Canva AI button, then Design for Me. Now type in your prompt, a poster for a science fiction book, Aetherion, written by Jose G, about a hidden city in the clouds set in the year 2080. With students, you might like to suggest using the initial of their surname. That way, there's no privacy concerns if you end up sharing the work publicly. In just a moment, Canva generates a range of designs based on that idea. Students can pick the one that fits their vision, then tap Use Canva Editor to jump in and make it their own. I'm going to change this text here and here. And I'll switch this up too. Canva AI gives you a great jumping off point, so students can get creating sooner. And then there's Create an Image, great for helping students visualize their ideas. Now let's bring the poster to life with an image, created in collaboration with AI. From the Canva homepage, select the Canva AI button, then Create an Image. You can select the style, and also the size. Then type in a prompt. Wide shot of a character discovering a hidden city in the clouds in the year 2080. You'll see a set of generated images appear. Choose one that fits the story best, then download it. Back in our poster design, go to the Uploads tab and upload the new image. Once it's uploaded, tap to add it to your design. The image is great as is, but let's create some more empty space so we're not covering the beautiful city with text. To do this, we can use the Magic Expand tool. First, let's reposition it so the castle is well placed with the text. Then, we'll tap Edit in the toolbar, then choose Magic Expand under Magic Studio. Select Whole Page, then hit Expand. You'll see a few different versions generated. Scroll through and pick the one that works best, then tap Done to apply it. Now let's change the color of the text so it ties in with this image. Select it, and use the eyedropper tool to match a color from the image. We'll reposition it, and increase the size to make the title and my name really stand out. And there it is, an otherworldly poster created from a simple idea with help from Canva AI. In no time at all, they are beautifully detailed and unique images ready to use in their assignments. Both of these AI tools help students get a head start on more visual assignments. For students, Canva AI can become a great soundboard. It helps them brainstorm, summarize, and visualize their ideas without doing the work for them. Let's look at how it can be a thought partner for students across all grades. Say a student has already taken notes, and now they're getting ready for a quiz. Canva AI can help them turn those notes into study questions and even a full worksheet. Starting on the Canva homepage, select the Canva AI tab. In the prompt box, type, "Based on my notes, can you write me a set of questions to help prep for a quiz?" Let's select our study notes doc. We'll select Submit and see what Canva AI generates. When you scroll through the generated result, you'll see a list of questions based on the uploaded notes. You can personalize the questions even more. Let's ask Canva AI to include a combination of open-ended and multiple choice questions. Great. Now let's ask Canva AI to turn it into a worksheet. Let's make it something more visual, so it's something students want to use. We'll ask Canva AI to turn this into a doc. To use it to study, the student can open it in the Canva editor and write in their answers. Now you've got a fully formatted worksheet, all based on the student's own notes. No matter the grade, Canva AI helps students move from thinking to creating quickly and independently. The brilliant ideas, that's all them. Canva AI just helps to bring it to life faster. To help you get started, we've included project ideas you can try with your students and a step-by-step guide to using Canva AI in the classroom. So go ahead, what are you waiting for?